Ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly build wealth from nothing? The truth is, wealth isn't just about luck, it's about strategy, discipline, and making the right moves at the right time. In this video, we're diving into the essential steps you can take to start building wealth from the ground up, no matter where you're starting from. First things first, surround yourself with the right influences. The people you listen to can make or break your financial journey. Seek advice from those who have already achieved financial success. These individuals have walked the path and can provide you with actionable insights that you won't find in textbooks. Learning from their experiences can help you avoid costly mistakes and fast-track your journey to wealth. Next, think carefully about your career choices. The key to unlocking significant wealth often lies in results-oriented careers, where your earnings are tied to the value you create, not just the hours you put in. Fields like sales, entrepreneurship, and freelancing offer unlimited income potential, allowing you to break free from the constraints of a fixed salary. The harder and smarter you work, the more you can earn, putting you on the fast track to financial freedom. Now let's talk about investing. The earlier you start, the better. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to growing your wealth through investments. Even if you begin with small amounts, the magic of compound interest can turn modest contributions into substantial wealth over time. The key is to start now and stay consistent. Diversifying your income streams is another critical step in building wealth. Relying on a single source of income is risky. What happens if that source dries up? By creating multiple streams of income, you not only protect yourself against financial setbacks, but also accelerate your wealth-building efforts. This could mean taking on side gigs, starting a small business, or investing in income-generating assets like stocks or rental properties. Speaking of investments, real estate deserves special mention. Real estate is one of the most powerful tools in the wealth-building arsenal. Not only does it offer long-term appreciation, but it also provides tax advantages and a steady income stream through rental properties. Whether you're buying your first home or expanding into rental properties, real estate can be a game changer on your journey to financial independence. But as you start to see your income grow, there's one trap you need to avoid: lifestyle inflation. It's easy to fall into the habit of spending more as you earn more, but this can quickly erode your savings and slow down your wealth-building progress. Instead, maintain a frugal lifestyle and focus on saving and investing the difference. By keeping your expenses in check, you'll have more money to put towards your financial goals, accelerating your path to wealth. Finally, remember that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, patience, and often, a willingness to make sacrifices in the short term for greater gains in the long term. But with the right strategies and a disciplined approach, you can achieve significant financial growth in as little as 10 years. Imagine where you could be a decade from now, if you start making these moves today. Wealth building is within your reach, but it's up to you to take the first step. Implement these strategies, stay committed, and watch your financial situation transform over time. The road to wealth may be challenging, but the rewards are more than worth it.